All right, in political updates, what we are getting to know that it is coming across as another setback to the BJP. Fourth Goa BJP MLA Praveen Zante has resigned ahead of the elections that are to take place, and we are looking at yet another setback to the BJP. As this morning, the news of a sitting minister and MLA, Michael Lobo, also stepped down from his post and has resigned from the BJP. So back-to-back resignations taking place. Alisha, what more do we know?
Well, of course, there are the latest updates where we can see it's a major setback for BJP in Goa specifically. And we know that the Goa Assembly election is around the corner, where BJP MLA Praveen Zante has already resigned as an MLA, and our sources say that he's likely to join MGP. We know that earlier already 3 MLAs have already resigned, which also include Lobo, Anita Sultana, Carlos Almeida. They have already resigned as a BJP MLA, but now we see that this is the 4th resignation of the former Goa BJP MLA Praveen Zante, who has already resigned, who has already reached to the, has submitted his resignation and are likely to join MGP.
Right, Alisha, we're just going to put out that the tweet that has been also posted by the Goa Chief Minister on the back-to-back resignations that have been taking place. And I'm just going to quickly quote from that tweet, where he goes on to say that the Bharatiya Janata Party is a big family that continues to serve the motherland with full devotion. A few defections to fulfill the agenda of greed and personal interest cannot deter our agenda of good governance. And the people of Goa have seen BJP's governance and the development model for a decade, and I'm sure that they will give us another term in their service. So that's a reaction that is coming from the Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant himself. On your screens, the tweet that he has posted as a reaction to the back-to-back defections that seems to be happening in the BJP. Alisha, because just this morning the news came in of a sitting minister, Michael Lobo, there stepping down and resigning from the BJP, and now another BJP MLA quitting the party.
Michael Lobo, if we talk about Michael Lobo, who is a very, who's been known as a strong man from North Goa, and he's a sitting minister for science, technology and waste management in the BJP-led Goa government. So he resigning as an MLA is really a big jolt for ahead of the assembly elections in Goa. But we know this is the 4th resignation comes from a BJP MLA Praveen, who is likely to join Maharashtra Gomantak Party this evening or tomorrow. He's in touch with other parties also. So we know that this is a major setback, but even Pramod Sawant, as far as the BJP in Goa is concerned, they have been saying that they have been serving for the people, and they have been very confident enough to go and win the elections in the upcoming Goa Assembly election, which is scheduled for 14th of February, where the voting to take place. But even as you were talking about the tweet which has been placed by BJP leader and Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, who has already said that Goan people have seen BJP governance and development model for a decade, and even he is sure about that they will give BJP another term in their service, because Bharatiya Janata Party is a big family that continues to serve the motherland with full devotion. So this can be a thing which we are seeing this.
Right. So the 4th such BJP leader to step down and to leave the BJP, and this is coming at a time when the Goa Chief Minister has said that a few defections cannot harm the party's interest there, as they will win another term to rule the state of Goa. For the moment, Alisha, thank you very much. We head into a short break.